Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to create Canva website template. Okay, so here the first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Canva application, or you can also use the web browser and search for canva.com, and then you just have to log into your account. Okay, and then here on Canva, you have to subscribe to a pro plan or to the Canva Pro so that you can use all of the features here on Canva. But you can also not subscribe. But there are limitations in using the elements, the templates, and other options here on Canva. So here, once you're on the app or to the Canva website, just log in or sign up to your account. Okay, and then here on the search bar, we just have to search for um, website. That's right. And then we just have to choose the website. We have single page or website, the multi page. Okay, so here we can also create a blank page. Okay, so now we just have to choose a starting template. So the Canva will show you pre-made website templates. So we just have to pick one that's closest to the style that we want, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer the full customization. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to use this one right here. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is to customize the template. Okay, so here on customizing the template, we can customize the backgrounds, the text, the images or the graphics, and then the sections. So we are going to start with the background. So here we can add colors, change the colors, gradient, or images. So just simply click on the background. That's right. And then when you click on this background color at the top, you can now change the background color. Okay, now for the text, if you want to add headings, subheadings, and body text, whether choose a font, just have to go here. That's right. And then after that, you just have to click on the heading, then go here to change your font. Okay, that's right. Now, if you want to add images, just have to simply drag and drop the elements from the Canvas library or upload your own. So you can go here on the upload section or go here on the elements and then search for images. That's right. And then you'll be able to see here available photos. Now for the sections, if you want to add new sections, just have to simply click on this add sections. So for example, about, services, contact, and etc. Okay, so we are just going to give this template or section a name. So just simply click on it. That's right. And then you have here the node option. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do here, so let me just put a note for this template. So for example, the title of this page is About Us. So that's right, you just have to close it. After that, so you can now add elements right here. So whatever kind of elements do you want to add here. So for example, you have here different frames that you can use. Okay, so for example, this one. So you can drag and drop this one right here. And then you can also resize this section. So now you can start uploading your images right here. So let me just go to the elements and then go here on the photos section. That's right. And I'm just going to upload here random images. Okay, so here as well. And then this fourth box and then the last frame. Okay, so just have to put it right there. Okay, so let me just do it again. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is to add interactive elements. So for example, we can insert buttons for navigation or links. Example, contact me or shop now. So to do that, you just have to go here on the element section so you can add or search your buttons. Okay, button link or buttons link. Okay, so here, for example, this one, we are going to use this element. So after that, you just have to resize this one. So if you want to change the color of this button, so you just have to simply go here and then change the color of the background. Okay, so I just have to do that. Then after that, you can now add here the link. Okay, so to add here your link, all you have to do is to click on it, and then after clicking on this one, you can now add here your link. Okay, so you just have to click on the linked option. So for example, you have another page, and then that is your shop page. Now the next thing that we are going to do here is to select the template link. Now the next thing that we are going to do here is to add embedded links, so social media, external pages, or email. So after that, you can also use the Canvas apps and integration like embedded YouTube videos, Google Maps, or forms. So you can go here, okay, and then you have to search for YouTube. That's right. Okay, and then you just have to click on enter after that. Okay, so you just have to click on open so you can make video seamless part of your next presentation, and then add YouTube content straight inside the Canva and watch your favorite videos when you hit the play button. So you just have to add here the link after that. Now the next thing that you're going to do here is to make it a reusable template. Okay, so once you design your template right here, so of course you want to reuse this one. So you can click on the share button at the top. That's right. And then you have to select the template link. So this lets others use your design as a starting point. Or you can also save it to yourself or duplicate this one and reuse this whenever you need this one. So when you're ready to launch this template, you can click on the publish website. Okay, that's right. So we have here the publish website. So after you copy the link and then share it to your workmates or the people that you want to work with, then you can click on the copy link option. Okay, so once you're done, you can choose between a free Canva domain, or you can also connect your custom domain. So after that, you just have to publish your website. Now, the main advantage of creating a Canva website template is that it saves time and effort, since you only need to design it once and can reuse it for different projects. So it gives you a consistent and professional look without needing coding skills, while still allowing easy customization for colors, text, and images to match any brand or purpose. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.